Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications on the Lowrance application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the home button down below on the left side corner of the screen, and then tap on the settings button next to your email address in the middle of the screen. Then you should scroll down to the bottom till you find this push notifications section and tap on on. Click on allow in order to allow the application to have access to your notifications. So tap on notifications and click on allow, then go back to the app. And here you can set the software and secure updates and the weather alarms as well by tapping onto the boxes that you would like to enable. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.